Alright, so the issue now is that it does save the data of whether the player has bought the horse or not, because we're saving it in has horse. Right? It's equal to, let's say it's equal to true. And then when we leave the game, then it saves it right in here as true, right? And then when we come back and we load the game, it grabs the data from here, places it here in the player stats folder. But the problem is that even though this is true, that doesn't change the fact that this horse here has a seat that is anchored. Okay, so what we need to do is when we load the data from here to here, we need to check to see if this is true. And if it is true, then we can go in there, grab that part, that seat, and unanchor it. Right? So where does all that transaction happen? Right? Well, it's right here in leader stats. And it happens here when we connect. So when we connect, it is going to grab the leader stats data, right? The money, gold ore, and max gold. And it's also going to grab the player stats data, which is the has heavy pack and has horse. Okay, so once it grabs that data and we get it right here, then we're checking to see if there actually contains that data actually contains something. And then right in here we can have an if statement. We can say if has horse dot value is equal to true. Ooh. And remember, when we're setting up a Boolean expression, we need to have two equal signs. And we're going to say then. And in here, we're going to say game.workspace. And let's go ahead and find that horse. It's workspace.transportation dot buy horse dot, I believe it's the seat. Yes, it's the seat. And then we could say dot anchored is equal to false. Okay, so what that should do is it should go right into the horse, right to his seat, unanchor it, if the has horse is equal to true, and that means when the player re-enters the game, then he should be able to ride the horse. Let's go ahead and test that, see if it works. File, publish to Roblox, and then we will run Roblox. Okay, so I previously have purchased the horse, and my has horse is equal to true. So if I get on this guy, then he should be able to start moving, right? There we go. All right, so that's fixed. Another element that I want to add is that when this player jumps on the horse, I want it to make a sound like yee-haw, right? So what I'm going to do is add a sound, and of course I'm adding all of my sounds to my sound folder, and I guess I can get the note, duplicate it, and I can put here yeehaw. And I already have a sound ID set up, so let me go ahead and grab that. Where is that sound? No, it's not there. It's in transportation. Buy horse. My head, nope. Is it not here? Okay, well, let me go ahead and find that sound effect, the ID, and then we'll add it in the next video. But for now, let's just stop here and have the game allow the player to ride the horse if he does have if he has previously purchased the horse.